guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to safely take out your frontal. Really key to take out your frontal in a very safe manner, because if you don't take it out in a safe manner, you're gonna kind of rip your frontal. Number one, you're gonna rip your frontal, and number two, you're gonna kind of spoil your baby hairs, or you're just gonna harm your scalp. So you really need to take it out in a safe manner, and you need to exercise patience when taking out your frontal, because it's key to take it out safely, because you're just gonna rip your hair, you're gonna rip the lace frontal. It's not gonna last because you're not taking it out in a safe manner. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out your frontal. Stay tuned. In this bottle I've got water and a bit of conditioner, just small bit of conditioner and water. So I'm going to be using this. This is all you need. Water is all you need to take out your frontal. You just need to exercise a bit of patience. So I'm going to start here. I'll try to do it section by section because I wanted to. So I'll start spritzing water here. Need a bit of towel to grab any water coming out. But first thing is just to spritz water at the side. So I'm just spritzing lots of water here. So after spritzing water in here, you've got to wait for the water to penetrate in the frontal. You can't just drag it off. So you put water and wait for the water to really penetrate in the frontal. So you can see it's now coming up slowly. Might be better for you to take off. This is the end of the day, so it doesn't matter, it's ruining my makeup. So I'm still sprinkling water all over, guys. So I'm not pulling at all, I'm just sprinkling water all over. See, the frontal is lifting already. I didn't even do much pulling, I didn't do no tugging, I didn't do no pulling. See, it's lifting because I've just sprinkled water in and I've left it to come off. So I'm through with this side because it's lifting. I'm not going to do much, I'm going to spray more water. And I'll go to this front side like so. See, you don't pull, you don't tug, guys. You don't pull, you don't tug. I'm just showing you the frontal is here, is fully laid. But you start from one corner and you move. So I'm gonna go here now. So I'm in the middle now. I'm just sprinkling water all over. And I just leave the water to sit on it for a bit, and it kind of helps it. What the water does, it just sits on it and it weakens the got-to-be and any gel you've used. Sprinkling water in. I've done the first spray of water, I'm doing the second spray. So I'm just putting my towel here just to catch up any water so it doesn't go on my clothes. This is the third layer of water I'm putting in. And I'm just letting it sit, guys. I'm not moving it, I'm not tugging it, I'm just letting the water marinate into the hair. So I'll just leave the water to just do its thing and get to the scalp. So you need to be ready to exercise some patience when you're doing this. You don't want to rush at all. And I'm taking my time. I'm just sitting here and just spraying water all over the front of my hair because I want it to kind of weaken. So you want the water to penetrate into the hair, and then you can take it off. So I can actually literally feel the water a bit in my hair. See, I can literally feel it in my, so I know the water has penetrated in. So then it looks like it's lifted. So this whole part is lifted up now, guys. So now I'm gonna go to this side of my hair. I'm gonna start spraying this side. Just gonna put a towel like so. Yeah, and then I'm gonna spray this side now. So I've done the second layer. Now I'm gonna do the third layer on it. Almost the fire. I'm literally drenching in water, and I can feel the water seeping in to the scalp, and that's what I need. It just tells me it's working its magic. So I'm still spraying in the water and conditioner mix in there. I can feel it coming off, see? So I'll just do it in this place where it's not out yet. That's it, guys. I'm gonna jump right in the shower and just get my makeup off. So this is how to safely take out your wig, guys. I'm gonna do exactly the same if I wanted to take out this. So I'll do exactly the same. Out, you spray water again, just like you did. You spray water and you can take it out. When you spray water in it, it just melts out and it comes out just like the wig did. I hope you found this video helpful. You just need a bit of patience and you need time. Don't talk, don't pull out your wig or your edges is gonna be coming out. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.